How to create before and after transition in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Hold down the Alt key and drag the video into above track to create a duplicate from it. Make sure the playhead is above the video, select the duplicate video, and open up the color page. Here, just change some values so we can differentiate this video from the original video. Now go to Effects panel, click on Toolbox, and search for Edge Wipe. Drag and drop Edge Wipe transition into the start of top video and timeline. Then move mouse cursor at the start of duplicate video, and when this icon appears, trim the video to where you want to start the transition. And now we have it. Select the transition and open up the inspector panel. If you want the transition to be from right to left, set angle to -90. I want the transition to be from left to right, so I change angle to 90 degrees. Drag from the right end of the transition to change its duration. To add a border to the transition, increase border size and change its color. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.